Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get the chrome off of these parts. This is of a old monogram kit. It's a Porsche 911, and these are the wheels. The chrome has been painted on. It's really old paint, and I don't really like the way the chrome looks anyway, the way that this chrome is done. It's too shiny, and then when I want to put black on the inside here, it won't stick on that chrome. So you have to remove this chrome to be able to get paint on there. I don't want this whole thing to be chrome either. So what I've done is I've just lightly sanded it down to get most of it off, at least a lot of it. It also gives it a start for the chemicals that we're about to put on here. And I've got them in this bowl here. This is a bowl that is not made of plastic, although you could use plastic. And we're going to spray some Easy Off on. This is the Easy Off. It has to be the yellow can, the heavy duty oven cleaner. And this chemical definitely can give you fumes, so you're going to vacate the area afterwards or use some sort of ventilation. So the Easy Off, put it all in this container here, and I've also got my stick shifted. I don't know why it was chrome, but it needs to come off. And what we're going to do is we're going to just spray this stuff on, and it foams. And then we leave it. And it takes a little while. It takes sometimes up to 30 minutes. But I'm just going to spray a little more on here. And I'm going to leave that to work. So there it is, the Easy Off. Okay, so it's been a few minutes, and let's check out our chrome pieces here. So there's still a few parts that are not cleaned, but these were not in contact with the chemicals. Let's turn these over. Look at that. That stuff's coming off very nicely. Very, very nicely. So after you've let it sit for a while and you've made sure it's all turned over, I took it and I washed it under just regular plain old water, washed all the Easy Off, and here you can see the parts just as they were originally, with all the chrome off. So that makes for a very easy removal. It requires minimal sanding just to get it started, but you can see here all the chrome has been removed, and even on these fine delicate parts, it's usually difficult to get all the chrome off. This chemical just does wonders.